So here's what happened yesterday as soon as I completed my first video about what I learned with diamond painting. There was a knock at the door and it was a delivery and it was Temu, once again, another addiction. And of course there were diamond kits in there, which I will videotape in another video. But I totally forgot I even ordered it because I said I'm not going to get crazy with this craft. Okay. A light board. My light board. This is a light board I got from Temu for about 15 bucks. And it has 3 different... Are we not working? Don't even tell me the battery died. Oh my God. I'm going to have to go over to a light source. Everything is just acting crazy today. How could that be? I just charged this battery. How could you be dead? Oh, you're not dead. You're not on. Oh my God. All right. I need coffee. Been up since 5:30. So it has 3 different views. Low, medium, and high. And of course, like now, I had everything put away last night. And I had to take everything and start again. So I did what I said I was going to do in my last video. And that was take the advice of diamonds and washi and section off my new canvas. And I'm going to turn this down. Goodbye. Going to turn this down so that you can see what I did. I put the washi tape around the edge. Let me pick up this end. So you know how you have, or if you don't know, you have a little sticky edge. Just a little bit. This is a poured glue, I believe. And so there's just a little rim of stickiness that if you have pets or if you have something on, or even the oils of your own skin, if you lean on it, it's annoying, but it gets dirty and you don't want to do that. And I'm sure you have a lot of washi tape like I do. And so then what I did, and you don't have to measure this out or anything. You can if you want. I just put a washi tape down the middle and another 2 to make these sections. And then what I did was, everything's going to be missing on me right now, is I have a very thin little pen that has a little sharp tip on it. And it was here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This looks like a pen. It's not a pen. It's got a little knife on there, like a little razor. I hope that comes through. See it? And so what I did was I just cut very lightly because it's super sharp. You could probably use an X-Acto knife. So that is allowing me to pull this back. And of course, oh my God, I'm going to lose it today. What kind of magic madness is happening? A piece of my hair. You pull this back and you're able to just work this section, which I did last night. Let me see if I can get just even a little bit closer here. Yep. So I worked this section last night and I had my light source. And it was so easy and so nice to see. You know, some of the symbols can look a lot alike, you know, like an R and a B. Now they're just perfectly clear. And I started to, maybe I was tired, I don't know, but I started to pick up my drills. I come in on an angle and I was kind of just catching them on the side so that, sure, I'm filming, don't do it now. So that I have a little so that they're kind of like hanging off. And that allows me to see where I'm placing them. And so I'm going to place this where it belongs, right here with the multi-placer. Perfect. Just perfect. Hopefully you can see that. Just perfect. Having them be, oh, and yesterday I was saying how, oh, I don't mind the wax. Well, this is the wax that came with this kit. If you see it, just throw it away. Or use it. It makes a really good, it must have like a lot of oil in it or something. What it was doing yesterday was it was pulling the paint. It doesn't even stick. It's terrible. It's horrible. Just throw it away. This one is not too bad. But, you know, like I said, I don't want to, but look how nice that is. Let me see here. Look how nice that just went in. 1, 2, 3, easy. I don't want to be sitting for a long period of time, because I notice that when I am sitting for long periods of time, I'm really like starting to get like sciatica and stuff like that. So, you know, a half an hour is good. Get up, take a stretch, get some water, put on some music, rest your eyes, roll your shoulders, because we tend to slump over. But again, I'm coming in on the side, picking up, and you see how I'm like letting them hang off the side a little bit. It's really difficult to try and film and see what you're doing. I'm letting them hang off the edge a little bit so that I can see exactly. And I just roll them down, and they're very unified. They're in order. I don't have to move them. So I would say, even though I did say I wasn't going to invest a lot in this craft, I would say that if you are going to invest in something, okay, get a good wax. The red one, the dark red one is good. The light red one, not so good. And the blue one, just throw it away. And I did get from Amazon the skinny multi-placers. This is the skinny one. When you get your kit comes, oh, is this a new kit? No, it's not. Your kit comes with your diamond pen, right? But on the other end of it is the multi-placers are clear and they're fatter, and they're perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just that when you have the skinny one, you can get in between the lines of the trays a little bit better, I think, anyway. And I like being able, again, to just come in at that angle and pick these up. They're not really in there, but I mean, they're not really in the middle. They're hanging off. See, they're hanging off, and I'm able to place them really, really. Oh, I hit the button. That was me. That was me. What are you doing, Lee? Place them. Just boop, boop. Move that one a little bit. And there we go. Done. So I would, listen, you're going to do this one time and you're going to be addicted. And I would get the skinny placers. You don't need to. And save your eyes. You know, we all want to do things that we enjoy, but we don't want to have an injury doing them. So, you know, this is, you know, tiny little drills, tiny little crystals, diamonds, and, you know, you can really get in the zone here and keep going. And, you know, eye strain, you don't want to do that. So get yourself a nice light, get the light, So I got mine from Temu. This is a big one. I believe it's like almost like legal size, like 11 by 14. And I bought it because I draw too. I bought the bigger one. You don't need the bigger one. They have the little 5 by 7 ones, or maybe even smaller than that, because you're only working small sections. Get the light, and it's nice to have the one that does have low, medium, and high, because if you get one that's only one single light, you don't know what kind of light you're going to get. I have this on high right now. So I would get that. I'm really enjoying working in sections. I didn't think that I would. I thought that my mind would want to. But look at all, you know, when I was doing this color, the black, this is all black. Like, I'm thinking I could have did all that, but no, I'm learning patience. You know, there's always, and I say this, and I probably will continue to say this with each video, there's always something to learn beyond the craft. So I'm learning how to be patient and how to breathe and take my time and, you know, not be in such a rush. Enjoy the process. And I'll see you next time. And I will probably unpack my new diamond kits. Can't wait. Create a beautiful world. You're living in it.